A distant goal. Humanity's fascination with Pluto.
Pluto has long captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. Discovered in 1930, it remained a shadowy figure at the edge of the solar system. For decades, telescopes could only offer blurry hints of its true nature, leaving many questions unanswered about its surface, atmosphere, and even its status as a planet.
The mission begins, launching New Horizons.
In 2006, NASA launched the New Horizons spacecraft on a historic mission to Pluto. Traveling over 3 billion miles, it became the fastest spacecraft ever launched, aiming to provide the first close-up exploration of this distant world. The journey would take nearly a decade, requiring careful planning and precise navigation.
Arriving at Pluto, first close-up encounter.
On July 14, 2015, New Horizons made its closest approach to Pluto, passing just 7,800 miles above its surface. For the first time, humanity saw detailed images of Pluto's landscape, vast icy plains, towering mountains, and mysterious surface markings. The encounter sent back breathtaking photos and a flood of scientific data.
Revelations from the data.
New Horizons revealed a surprisingly active and complex world. Scientists discovered giant ice mountains, a nitrogen ice, heart-shaped plain named Sputnik Planitia, and hints of a thin atmosphere. These findings challenged earlier ideas about Pluto, showing it to be geologically dynamic despite its frigid location and small size.
A lasting legacy.
The success of New Horizons forever changed our understanding of Pluto and the outer solar system. Its images and discoveries fueled new scientific questions and inspired global interest. The mission proved that even the most distant worlds can surprise us and highlighted the importance of exploring our solar system in detail.